Hey! Oh. He was swimming to get out of that hole, though, wasn't he? You need to go. You need to go change your drawers.
My heart medicine.